Page 109 talks about different professionals related to health. Here we have a list of them. But before I read each one of them, let me tell you that I would like to mention the place where they may work and also their descriptions as professionals. But I'm going to go very general, okay? I'm not going to be very specific. Let's start with the first one, doctor. A doctor may work in a hospital or in a doctor's office or in a physician's office. Physician is another word for doctor. This person is a person licensed to practice medicine. A nurse, well, a nurse may practically work in the same places where a doctor may work. But also, they may work in a nursing home. A nursing home is a place where elderly people live. Okay? And this person, a nurse, is a person trained in the care of the sick. A dentist may work in a dentist's office or in a dental office, and it's a person whose profession is the care and treatment of the teeth or of teeth. An eye doctor or optometrist may work in an optical shop, which is the same as an optical store, or in an optometrist's office. And this person is a person who is qualified to examine the eyes and prescribe and supply glasses and contact lenses. Moving on, let's talk about a pharmacist. A pharmacist may work in a pharmacy or in a drugstore, and it's a person licensed to prepare and prescribe drugs. Remember, drugs is another word in English for medicine. Health insurance advisor. Probably this is not familiar for you, but let me explain what this person is. First of all, let's mention the workplace. A health insurance advisor may work in an insurance company, and it's a person who gives advice on health insurance. In Costa Rica, this is not very common because we have access to use the services of Caja. But in some countries, some people have to pay for their insurance because they don't have this type of benefit in their countries. So they pay insurance, which is basically some money they give or they pay every month just in case something happens, and they may get this type of insurance. The word insurance in Spanish is seguro. So they may have this seguro for paying in case of an emergency. So they have these savings, like the estos ahorros for emergencies. A nutritionist may work in a nutritionist's office. So basically, office is like a wild card, like como un comodín, because this word office may mean in Spanish consultorio. So like many health professionals, they have offices, so they have consultorios. It doesn't matter their specialty. And a nutritionist, it's a person who is trained or expert in the science of nutrition. Orthodontist. Probably you're familiar with this movie. Okay, this guy, this dentist in specific, he's an orthodontist. Of course, since they are dentists, they may work in a dentist's office or in a dental office, and it's a person who specifically deals with the prevention and correction of crooked teeth. A physical therapist, well, they may work in different places such as hospitals, clinics, and rehab centers. And it's a person who helps to restore another person's body natural ability as exercises to strengthen an injured limb. Strengthen means make strong, and limb means extremidad, as your arms, your legs, your knees, your ankles, your elbows. A surgeon, they work specifically in an OR. OR stands for operating room. And it's a physician or a doctor who specializes in surgery. For finishing, let's talk about a veterinarian or a vet. A veterinarian may work in an animal clinic or vet clinic or veterinary clinic or pet shop. I just want to make stop here, and I want you to pay attention to this because this is the person, a veterinarian. All right, but Careful with this, they may work in a veterinary clinic. It is not a veterinarian clinic, okay? Remember that we have two different words here. And a veterinarian is a person whose work is the medical treatment of animals. Alright? Now, it's over to you. Let's review your understanding of this video in the quiz of it. See you next time.